Bird, don't you remember we told you? Mr. Hooper died. He's dead.
Oh, yeah, I remember. Well, I'll give it to him when he comes back.
Big Bird, Mr. Hooper's not coming back.
Why not?
Big Bird, when people die, they don't come back.
Ever?
No, never.
Why not?
Well, Big Bird, they're dead. They can't come back.
Isn't it always there in the back of your mind? Don't wanna waste any time. How can I waste any time if I've got a dime? Maybe one day, maybe when I'm old and gray, then it'll feel okay. One day we'll all fall down.
Who's gonna make my birds eat milkshakes and tell me
Someday
stories?
we'll all fall
I'm going
down.
to take care of the store. Mr. Hooper, he left it to me. And I'll make you your milkshakes. And we'll all tell you stories. And we'll make sure you're okay.
Do we really need an authority to make us see eternity? There's no you or me. We're waves on a sea. We're leaves on a tree. It's not as it seems. One day we'll all fall down. Someday we'll all fall down. Yeah. One day we'll all fall down.
It'll never be the same around here without him.
Someday we'll all
But you know something?
fall down.
We can all be very happy that we had a chance to be with him and to know him and to love him a lot when he was here.
But I don't like it. It makes me sad.
We all feel sad, Big